Vietnam Leather Footwear and Handbags Association. About the Vietnam Leather Footwear and Handbag Association. The Vietnam Leather Footwear and Handbag Association, (FASO), was established in 1990. The association is a non-governmental organization representing nearly 2,000 Vietnamese enterprises of manufacturing, trading, and import-exports of footwear and handbags products, attracting more than 1.5 million direct and indirect workers. In recent years, the leather and footwear industries ranks fourth among Vietnam's top export sectors, with high export turnover, bringing Vietnam to the positions of the world's second footwear exporter. Currently, the Vietnam Leather Footwear and Handbag Association is carrying out the R&D, international cooperation, new technology application, training, consulting, quality control of materials and products for the leather and footwear industry in Vietnam. In 2016, the association established the Vietnam-Italy Technology Center, and in 2020 established the FASO Institute of Innovations and Technology, former the Footwear Research and Development Center. The center and institute have been playing a great role in product development, researching for new models, technologies, improving product lines and worker skills, thus improving the competitiveness of enterprises, as well as the whole leather and footwear industry. Role of Vietnam Leather Footwear and Handbag Association. Government policy consultation. Over the past 30 years, the Vietnam Leather Footwear and Handbag Association has been playing an important role in the development of the fashion industries in Vietnam. The Vietnam Leather Footwear and Handbag Association is a bridge between enterprises and the government for advising, issuing, and implementing appropriate policies to create favorable conditions for the production, doing business, and import-export in the leather and footwear industry. In recent years, the role of the Leather Footwear and Handbag Association has been clearer, promoting government consultations on salary reform, tax policy, and especially the supporting policies for workers during the COVID-19 pandemic. Trade promotion activities. The Vietnam Leather Footwear and Handbag Association is not only a bridge between businesses and the government, but the association is also a bridge between businesses and businesses, businesses with partners, customers, suppliers at home and abroad. The association is representing the voice of Vietnamese businesses with the world's leather and footwear business community and connecting with associations and foreign organizations in many activities. To organize annual international fairs for leather, footwear, and handbag industries in Vietnam 1 to 2 times a year. To organize for enterprises to attend international fairs and market survey delegations in the key export market around the world, 10 to 20 events a year. To coordinate with domestic and foreign partners for organizing summits, seminars, conferences, and trade connections in the leather, footwear, and handbag sectors. To support and guide the businesses in the brand building, emulations, and reward activities to honor for businesses having excellent achievements and great contributions to society. To provide information and communication services. The Vietnam Leather Footwear and Handbag Association plays the role of connecting domestic enterprises, help for building of domestic value chain, providing market information and guiding the enterprises to implement the development strategies of the industry. Through the electronic portal, the association has built a linking system for domestic and international suppliers of raw materials and accessories with manufacturers of footwear and bags in Vietnam, and to build a specialized database in the leather, footwear, and handbag sectors in Vietnam and in the world. Providing training and consulting services, scientific research and technology transfer services. The Vietnam Leather Footwear and Handbag Association has the role of connecting and coordinating with training institutions of enterprises, vocational schools, and research institutes at home and abroad to implement training services as per enterprise needs for production development, thereby helping Vietnamese leather and footwear enterprises. especially small and medium enterprises, to improve international competitiveness and to approach the research achievements and the R&D for new products. Provide product testing and quality inspection services. In 2019 and 2020, the Vietnam Leather, Footwear and Handbag Association invested in building an international standard leather and footwear testing laboratory, Le Faso Testing Laboratory. In December 2020, Le Faso Testing Laboratory was officially granted the VLAS certificate so that it can go into operation. The facilities of Vietnam Leather Footwear Handbag Association. Currently, Vietnam Leather Footwear and Handbags Association has Office of Vietnam Leather Footwear and Handbags Association in Hanoi, Office of Vietnam Leather Footwear and Handbag Association in Bình Dương, Le Faso Institute of Innovation and Technology, the Vietnam-Italy Technology Center, established in 2016, including a modern line of Italian machines and equipments with sponsorship from Assomac and the Italian Trade Office for training services and design works in the leather and footwear industry. Le Faso Testing Laboratory, including a system of modern mechanical and chemical testing equipments for the leather and footwear industry, provided by Satra, the world's leading brand in testing equipment. Le Faso Testing Laboratory is a reliable address for enterprises to control the quality of raw materials and leather and footwear products. Showroom of leather and footwear materials and products. Along with above facilities, the Vietnam Leather Footwear and Handbag Association also conducts research and development activities with many research projects that have been successfully implemented in recent years, such as project on research, application and technology transfer of testing equipment for quality control of raw material, leather and footwear products, and technology consultation on product quality management for leather and footwear enterprises. Project on assessing the impacts of the Fourth Industrial Revolution on enterprises in leather, footwear, and handbag sectors in Vietnam. Project on electronic portal for leather and footwear industry. Proposal for productions of Phylon soles. Training services on improving productivity and quality, design works, production management, etc. for enterprises in the leather and footwear industry. Project on applications of Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, for enterprises in the leather and footwear industry. Training services on product quality management in the leather and footwear industry. Project on application of digital transformation, research and design for a production management system in shoe manufacturing enterprises, applying advanced technologies of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, Industry 4.0. Project on traceability of origin of leather and footwear products, coordinating with the General Departments of Standards, Metrology and Quality, Ministries of Science and Technology to develop a complete set of standards for the leather and footwear industry. Vision of the future fashion industry. The fashion industry, based on the applications of science and technology, is currently aiming for sustainable development associated with environmental and social protection. Casual wear, street fashion, which was a strong trend before, can now develop further. The comfort in dress is mentioned more often. Organic, clear origin, environmentally friendly will be more focused in the production. Strategies of Vietnam Leather, Footwear and Handbag Association. In the context of deepening international economic integration, growing science and technology application, the Industrial Revolution 4.0 has covered all industries and fields globally. That creates new opportunity and challenges that pushing Le Faso in particular and Vietnam's leather, footwear and handbag industry in general must transform itself to seize new opportunities in the Industry 4.0 era. On that basis, the association has set out objectives, the main operational strategies that are application of digital transformation, applying the technology achievements of Industry 4.0 such as cloud computing, big data, Internet of Things, etc., to connect for integration with Manufacturing Execution System (MES) and Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) in the leather and footwear enterprises. Sustainable development, strengthening activities towards sustainable development in the leather and footwear industries, implementing projects on environmental protection in the production and at working place, research projects on new products from recycled materials, enhancing quality control from raw materials to finished products, etc. Intellectual property, implementing activities on product branding, building of corporate brands, traceability of products' origin, protections of intellectual property rights, etc.